Welcome back to the channel, you glorious Zontes fanatics. If you're new here, buckle up, and if you're returning, you already know the drill. Hit like, smash subscribe, and give that little bell icon a gentle tickle so you never miss the madness we drop every single week. Today we're diving into something fresh, shiny, and straight out of the oven. The brand new Zontes 150V, just released for sale in China and already stirring up a storm. And for all my European riders watching, don't worry. Your turn is coming, because the 125 cubic centimeters version is officially expected to land in August 2026. Now let's get into why this little machine is causing such a buzz. At its core sits a 149.5 cubic centimeters water-cooled single-cylinder engine, running a high-compression 12.5:1 setup with Bosch electronic fuel injection. This compact power plant pushes out a lively 13.2 kilowatts at 8,700 revolutions per minute and 15.5 newton-meters of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute, giving you the kind of punchy acceleration that makes city riding feel effortless. The CVT transmission keeps everything smooth and automatic, and with fuel consumption at just 2.1 liters per 100 kilometers, this scooter is built to sip fuel, not drink it. Add in the automatic start-stop function, which shuts the engine off at traffic lights and fires it back up instantly, and you squeeze even more efficiency out of every ride. Combine all of that with its 11-liter fuel tank, and you're looking at a real-world riding range of around 300 miles, which is seriously impressive for a lightweight commuter. The chassis is where Zontes flexes its engineering muscles. The 150V uses a full aluminium alloy integrated frame, and here's the impressive part. The frame itself weighs no more than 8.5 kilograms, contributing to the scooter's incredibly light 108 kilogram curb weight. That combination gives you rigidity, stability, and a feather-light feel all at once. The dimensions come in at 1985 mm long, 750 wide, and 1115 tall, with a 1375 mm wheelbase and a comfortable 770 mm seat height. Ground clearance sits at 135 mm, making it practical for real-world roads and daily commuting. Up front you're rolling on a 110-7014 tire, and at the back a 130-7013, both supported by disc brakes and dual-channel ABS. And here's where Zontes adds another layer of safety. The 150V comes with a standard traction control system working hand-in-hand with the ABS to keep the scooter stable under hard braking, slippery surfaces, or sudden throttle inputs. It's a proper electronic safety net, especially for new riders or anyone commuting in unpredictable weather. The lighting is fully LED, crisp, bright, and unmistakably Zontes, modern, sharp, and premium. But the real magic is in the tech. The 150V comes with a 5-inch full-color TFT display offering multiple UI themes, phone mirroring, built-in navigation, Bluetooth, 4G, GPS, OTA updates, and tire pressure monitoring. You also get the Zontes 3.0 keyless control system, giving you smart unlocking, remote functions, and a premium user experience from the moment you walk up to the bike. And for riders who love capturing every moment, Zontes has even included dedicated mounting points for front and rear dashcams. Put all of this together and the Zontes 150V becomes one of the most advanced, feature-packed scooters in the 150 cubic centimeters class. Lightweight, efficient, high-tech, and ready to take over the streets. And with the 125 cubic centimeters version heading to Europe in August 2026, this platform is about to go global in a big way. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next one. Let's keep the ride going.
I'm coming for the throne.